baby. Today video is Woody Woodpecker turned into ghost/grounded. I finna post a Halloween video on the end of October. So enjoy this video, everybody.
Ha 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 ha. Today I might do something crazy. I going to turn into a ghost. Ha. Alright, let's see. Hey Woody, where are you going? Just my friend's house. Anyway, what's up? Oh, nothing much. Just make sure of that. Okay, well I'll be back like 20 minutes. 20 minutes? But it's still too short.
When Woody goes to the haunted mansion.
Yes, the haunted mansion. Now time to get scary.
After Woody brought the invisible spray.
Yes, now time to scare some suckers. Boo.
Oh my god, there's a ghost in my house. I finna get in my room quickly.
I have a great idea. How about I finna scare some more people on that way? Yeah, that would be great.
Is that a ghost? Stay away from me.
Is that a ghost? Whatever it is, I need to run.
A ghost. I'm out of here.
A ghost.
Ghost.
A ghost.
A ghost.
A ghost! A ghost! Ghost! A ghost!
Ha 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 ha. I did it. I really scared everybody around the world just because I'm a ghost. Now time to scare Winnie. A ghost? Huh? I'm never afraid of ghosts. Well, sometimes I do. Well, that's convenient. I can't really see anything because the power went out. Winnie, I'm coming to hunt you, Winnie. Woody, that's you? Stop playing games, Woody. What is that noise? You're gonna have to pay for what you just cooked me badly. No, I will never. Hey. Oh, my beautiful kitchen. Listen, I don't know who you are, but can you please leave me be? Too late. I already going to hunt you forever. Oh, please God, no. Ha 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 ha. Winnie thought I'd take her soul. She's so stupid. Ha ha. Wait a minute. Well, if there isn't my dumb boyfriend Woody Woodpecker. Ooh, I don't want to know. Oh, what are you talking about? I am invisible. Invisible, huh? Well, why you're out visible again? Yikes, Winnie, I can't explain, so I was prank people and scare people. Prank people? Now you came to prank me? Woody, this ain't April Fool's Day yet, it's only October, and I thought you were at your friend's house, but you never came back. Instead of that, you were a ghost to scare people, and did you cause the power outage? Ooh. Yes, Winnie, I'm sorry, but I just want to do something funny, that's all. Woody, you scared me and tried to kill me. Secondly, you caused the kitchen on fire, and now you're grounded. Wait, what? Yeah, you heard me. Now let's go outside before the house blows up. Oh man.
The end.